So on the Easy Go alignment, we want to put the steering wheel straight ahead. And remember, we have an inner and outer tie rod on both sides. And if your alignment is off, Easy Go says 1/8 of an inch pointed in on the front. If your alignment is off, you just do not want to adjust it on one tire. You want to adjust both tires. So your turning radius won't be off on one tire, and it doesn't let you turn all the way to the left or all the way to the right. So now we'll get in here and do the alignment, and with my help of George, my lovely George, everybody needs a George. When we measure this, we want to measure at 2 points to the highest point that you can reach on the tires. And as you can see, that is about 39 7/8. So we want 1/8 of an inch towed in on the front of the Easy Go. And that is 40 1/8. So we need to take it 1/4 inch off. We are adjusting the inner tie rod, and we want to adjust both of them. And it is right back here. You have a 19 millimeter pinch nut on that tie rod, and you have a 12 millimeter inner tie rod that you can put your wrench on. And you just turn the tie rod in or out. Everybody needs a George. Yeah, I was like, bro, we're an inch off. So we're at 40 1/8. That is perfect. So then after that, let's lock those nuts down, and then your alignment will be good. So I wanted to remind everybody that summer is almost over. Get out and enjoy it. Have a good day.